In this video, I'll show you how to add active campaign tags to Google Calendar. So if you're currently working on a project, I love to keep track with all of them. So you can come on here and add it up here on your Google Tags. So I'm going to type in, okay, you need to come on here and select a date. So these are different dates. So let me say I want to select 25th. So I'm going to come on here. I'm going to tap this plus. So yeah, I want to choose a title. So I can just come on and I can type in active campaign for productivity. Let me say for progress. You need to come on here. You need to select the time. You need to select when it will start and when it is going to end. So once you are done, you can also add up invites as well. So you can tap on add. So you can see this is 1 p.m. So you can also come on here and change the time if you want. So I can select this. Yeah, so this is it. Same progress. So this I can be able to add up an active campaign you love to track. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe.